Okay, so let's look at AAA or AAA. We'll also say triple A, arbitrage, and bailout. So, AAA, a rating given to a country or company as to how likely they are to pay their debts. So, somebody borrows money, whatever percent, and this rating, AAA, AA plus, AA minus, A plus, A minus, BB plus, BB, and others, shows you how likely the percentage of likeliness they are to repay the debt and interest. So if I borrow 100,000 and say 5%, if I've got a AAA rating, then it's very, very, very likely that I'm going to pay back that 100 plus the 5% interest. Makes sense. So the higher the grade is, the more likely they are to pay it all back. Okay. Now arbitrage, seeing a price difference between two stock markets, so you buy from one and instantly sell to another. Buy at £1, say for example £1 from here, buy, let's say buy, then instantly sell, let's say anything really, £1.10 for example, sell. And that could be instantaneous, like 5 seconds, 5 minutes, anything, a day. Instantly sell. Not the same as say, like a business would say, buy goods, inventory, and sell it. That's over a longer period of time, and there's more uncertainty. This is from one exchange to another. So let's say that Microsoft is selling. So Microsoft is selling at say £1 in New York City, NYC, New York City Exchange, USA, but it's selling at say £1.10 or £1 1 pence, for example, £1 and 1 pence in say anywhere, Germany, for example, on that exchange. So you buy it in New York City, you send the shares over to another broker in Germany, and you sell it at 1 pence profit, more or less guaranteed, because there's a price differential. But okay, there you go. And when there's a price differential, people are incentivized to buy and sell, to bring it all in equilibrium. So the market is magical in that way. Now a bailout, when someone cannot pay their debts, so someone else pays them instead, whether the government or another company. So let's say Microsoft can't pay, so another company, somebody else, will come along and pay their debts. They will bail them out, or a country. So, for example, in 2008 and 9, September 08, I believe it was, a lot of the banks in the United States had issues. A lot of the bets they made went bad, and they had no money to pay off the trades. So they're out of pocket. They needed bailing out. They didn't have enough money. No money. So the United States government bailed them out. Bailed out their troubles. Paid their debts. Paid their debts for them. They were bailed out. How cool is that? So AAA, arbitrage, and bailout. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.